In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subscribers on Beehiiv. If you manage a newsletter on Beehiiv and need to permanently remove someone from your list, for example, duplicate entries, spam signups, or compliance reasons, this walkthrough will guide you clearly and safely through the process. We'll keep things straightforward while calling out a few best practices so you avoid unintended data loss. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. It's a good idea to double-check that you're in the correct publication or workspace if you manage more than one, so you don't make changes to the wrong list. Next, look at the sidebar and open the Audience drop-down. From there, select Subscribers. This takes you to your subscriber list, where you can browse through entries or use the search bar to quickly find a specific contact. Typing a portion of an email address or name usually narrows things down fast. Take a moment to confirm you've identified the correct person, especially if you have similar or duplicate records. When you've found the subscriber you want to remove, click on that subscriber to open their profile page. At the top left of this page, locate the Unsubscribe button. Right beside it, you'll see a small up arrow. Click that up arrow to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Delete Subscribers. Beehiiv will prompt you to confirm this action. Read the confirmation message carefully. Deleting is permanent and removes the subscriber from your list, along with their association to future sends. If you only want to stop sending emails but keep historical data for reporting, consider using unsubscribe instead of delete. However, if you're certain the contact needs to be fully removed, go ahead and confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the selected subscriber, or subscribers if you had multiple chosen, will be removed from your list. You'll typically see your list refresh to reflect the change. If you don't see it update immediately, give it a moment and refresh your browser. Before you wrap up, a couple of quick tips. If you're doing a larger cleanup, it can be wise to export your audience first so you have a backup. Also, keep a short note or internal record of why you deleted certain contacts, which can help with team transparency and future audits. That's it. You've successfully deleted subscribers on Beehiiv. Proceed carefully with deletions and use unsubscribe when you simply want to stop sending without losing data.